Hey crypto traders and investors, it's Rod with Power Group. Welcome back on the Pursuit of Wealth. Today is Tuesday, April 6th. And in today's video, we're going to be discussing Ripple's first legal victory against the SEC. We'll look at this breaking news that just came out in just a second. We'll look at some charting as well and what to expect in the next few days and weeks with Ripple and XRP. But before we do, make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel. So, breaking news, Ripple scores first legal victory against the SEC as judge grants its motion to compel discovery. So, Sarah Netburn, the judge, has granted Ripple's motion to compel the production of documents related to Bitcoin and Ethereum during today's conference, delivering a blow to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Ripple filed the motion to compel on March 15th, accusing the SEC of withholding evidence. And I think the SEC has been trying to hide that, and they know that they basically gave Ethereum a free pass. I mean, for crying out loud, Vitalik Buterin basically said, I think about 5 times in one conference in Miami, he said fundraiser, we're having a fundraiser, but somehow Ethereum gets a free pass. Let me know in the comments below if you're excited. This is huge. We had the meeting today that was scheduled for 2 p.m. Eastern between the SEC and Ripple, and this was news that came out of that hearing. And Ripple has been on an absolute tear, XRP rather. We have seen a huge surge over the last couple of days, and now back in number 4, about to reclaim number 3. We're currently sitting at 47 billion, not that far off from 61, which has been Binance coin, and huge move on Binance coin as well. So congrats to the bulls there, but XRP slowly creeping back up. In my opinion, we could easily regain its number 3 position over the next couple of weeks, and a lot of analysts are predicting $2. I could see $10 this bull cycle. Keep in mind that XRP's market cap was once at a 120 billion. So if we just bring this up, and if we look back to where Bitcoin's market cap, so I have a price prediction of $10. And again, this isn't that I have a crystal ball, but I'm just using some simple math. So if we were once at 120 billion market cap on XRP, and it was actually number 2 spot right next to Bitcoin, very close they had in similar market caps back in that 2017, 2018 range. So if we look at the market cap from Bitcoin in 2018 to its peak now, that's about 6 times of what it was now, what it was back then, what it is now. So if we use that same math on XRP and we say, okay, 120 was the highest market cap, so we times 120 billion by 6, you get 720 billion, I think it is, and then you divide that by the circulating supply of XRP, which is 45 billion. But again, they're probably going to add to that supply. It's going to take some time for us to hit that market cap, so likely by then we might add another 5 billion or so to the supply. So if you and then divide that 720 by 45 or even 50 to be conservative, you end up with about a $16 or a $15 XRP price. And that's why I'm predicting $10 on this bull run. Let me know if you're predicting anything. Let me know what your price target is on XRP, if you agree with me, if you think that's achievable. So XRP has been leading the charge, and we saw a pretty big sell-off there at the beginning of the day today, and since has recovered nicely across the board. Cardano was just busting there up to about 135 and then gave the whole move back. XLM had some FUD today about the blockchain having some issues with transactions, but I never had any issues personally. But let me know in the comments below if you were affected by that. So Ripple has been on an absolute tear. It's leading this market. We're now over 2 trillion in market cap in the crypto space, and in my opinion, that has been because of Ripple's surge and that influx of new capital. Keep in mind that major US exchanges aren't even listing XRP right now. So wait until all the exchanges have it back up and running so that people can, you can still buy on Uphold and things like that in the United States. I think there's 3 or 4 exchanges that still list it. As we know, a lot of people use Coinbase and it's FDIC insured, right? So all the money is insured. So I think that there's going to be a lot more floodgates open up. But XRP here on the 4-hour chart, we broke the 4-hour inside bar bullish, and we had resistance here at 109.6. So 109, so we'll say 110, and then we hit 109.7 double top, and now we're potentially pulling back. So watching this double top here, we don't have any real consolidation and support down here until about 80 cents on our last 4-hour bull flag that ended up following through But keep in mind, we are quite extended at the moment. We're seeing some bearish RSI divergence as well, with the price trending higher with higher lows and higher highs, and the RSI seeing a little bit of a weaker pattern here with lower highs and lower lows. So watching out for that. And we are definitely extended, and we're going to see a pullback more than likely of 10, 20, 30%. Double top seeing a little bit more follow through here now. And taking a look at the weekly chart, I've been extremely bullish on XRP for the last few weeks, and shout out to everybody in our group who followed us on this trade. I know a lot of people made a lot of money, and we've been calling out for the last few weeks or so that XRP has been extremely strong. Just take a look at that stochastic and the MACD. We were above the 10-week moving average. We started to go parabolic, and even the 10-week moving average was starting to go vertical. On the weekly moving averages, we had a bull cross of the 50 and the 100, and we could see a 50 and 200 weekly bull cross. This is a very, very, very strong chart at the moment. We also had the 50 cross through the 100 back here on the daily moving averages. We're now bouncing. We bounced off the 50-day moving average and confirmed support, and here we go, bulls. We're just off to the races. We also held the weekly VWAP as well, which is down at 47 cents, and the 20 weekly moving average there at 49 cents. So congrats to the bulls. Again, let me know in the comments below what your price prediction is. I'm predicting $2 very soon in the foreseeable future. And like I said, as long as crypto doesn't fall off a cliff and we see momentum in this bull cycle continue, I could see XRP hitting $10 this bull cycle. Thanks so much for joining us on the Pursuit of Wealth for a crypto update video, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care, everybody.